Welcome to my first unboxing on the Adventitious Techie channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Pixel 7 here, which I received in a snow white color. I typically get the darker colors, but today I felt like trying something different. So the Pixel 7 is coming with the brand new Google Tensor G2 processor. It's supposed to improve performance. I don't know. We'll see. It's a incremental upgrade from the Pixel 6 that I currently have. But sometimes I like to have the new things right away. So let's not waste any time and start this unboxing. Bam, bam. All right. There we go. Ooh. Love that first time you're opening the box on your brand new device. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Ooh, this is looking nice. Okay, fingerprint scanner. All right. Power buttons right there. Volume up, volume down. It uses a USB-C connection. And a SIM card slot is right there. Very nice. I like this white color. Very nice. Alright, what else does it come with? So we got the USB cable right here. We have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Alright, I don't think I'll be using that. And then we have a manual that you'll probably need to use your glasses to read. Like, look at this tiny writing. Okay, that's not too bad. So this is basically to take your SIM card out and put a new one in. The websites to go to. Alright. And then this tiny manual. Can you guys read that? Because I sure can't. Well, that's what it comes with. Let's put these things back here. And let's have a look at the device itself. So let's take this out. Ooh. Oh, that felt good. Alright, let's look at that. So this phone actually comes in a little smaller than the Pixel 6. They say it comes in at 6.3 inches. Let's compare. Here is my Pixel 6. Let me wipe it a little bit here. Fingerprints all over it. So this is the Pixel 6. And this is the Pixel 7. Seem about the same. What do you guys think? And then the back looks, you see how they did the camera there? Let me wipe off the smudge there so you can see. It's kind of like the iPhone. Just change a couple of things and then it looks like a brand new phone, right? But I'm really excited to see how this Google Tensor G2 improves the performance of the phone. But just to mention a couple other things with this new Pixel 7, it keeps about the same resolution. The Pixel 6 was 411 ppi. The Pixel 7 comes in at 416. They all have smooth display. Corning Gorilla Glass with a Victus cover glass. Up to 1000 nits HDR and up to 1400 nits peak brightness. Whatever that means, it's supposed to be an improvement on the Pixel 6. The battery is actually a little smaller than on the Pixel 6. So as you can see here, Pixel 6 is 4614. Pixel 7 is right over here, 4355 milliamps. So they both can last up to 24 hours. But the Pixel 7 says up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. Okay, we'll see. I'm going to be trying that out. I'm going to test that out. Everything else looks about the same. The design has edgeless Corning Gorilla Glass Victus back with matte aluminum frame. I can't read, obviously. Okay, everything else is the same here. I got the 256 gigabyte storage, just like I had on the Pixel 6. Got the Titan M2 security chip. Built-in VPN, yeah, that's on the Pixel 6 also. So this is going to be the big thing to see on this one, the Tensor G2. See how it works. And then the rear camera, they actually kept the same specs there. Front camera, same specs. Actually, no, front camera is a little bit improved. 10.8 megapixels. 2.2 aperture, fixed focus. A little bit ultra wide field of view, so 92.8. Alright, we'll see how that works out. And that also is improved there. Camera features, they're going to be the same on both. That's all software. Audio's the same. And yeah, this one, I'm already on Android 13 on the Pixel 6. But basically, that's it. That is the new Pixel 7. I'm not gonna draw this along and go through powering the device and everything. This is just a quick sneak at the Pixel 7. Look at that. Alright guys, that was just the unboxing of the new Pixel 7, the Google Pixel 7. This is the 256 gigabyte storage model. I'm excited. I'm gonna go play with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.